Hi, this is a 6mm Thin Tasai dovetail chisel. I thought I had a smaller one, but I can't lay my hands on it right this moment. It looks pretty good, little rounded, the bevel, and fairly square. And like all Japanese tools, it's got quite a wedge shape. So it's thicker here and thinner here. And as I look at this one, it might be, the triangle is off just a little bit to the right. It's not quite perfectly square. This side is a little wider, and this side slightly skinnier. So it looks like the triangle's just a little bit out of whack, but that's normal for a hand-forged tool. So I'm going to take the sharp skate, and knowing that this is a wedge-shaped tool, I will put the 1/8 inch hex in there and just loosen the head screw bolt just a little bit so that I can increase the tilt. And I'll insert the chisel, and yeah, it's definitely wedge shaped, and just make sure that it's catching in the front and the back. Okay. And we'll, I think I should loosen it even a little more. So just a little more, I'll just loosen that. Okay, and now we have a good amount of tilt in there. Yeah, much better. Okay, so I'll snug it up and put it on the stone and just slide right down to where whoops, we had it on backwards. Let's put it on the right direction. That would help. Good. All right, so, and now check it and see how well it seats. It seems to seat pretty well, actually. I'm going to use the angle dock to check that the tool is in the sharp skate squarely, and I'll flip it over and check for parallel and seat it. It's a fairly steep angle, it looks like. Looks like this one's going to be in the 31. Looks like the original angle here is about 31 degrees. So it has a fairly steep bevel. Now I will put it on the stone and just check a little bit and see where it's hitting. See if I can see the shiny spot where it hits. And that appears to be pretty good. So I will tighten it up. Rock solid, no rock in there at all. And now we'll check it on the stone. A little bit of dirt up there. Let's get that cleared up. And let's look and see how the bevel is. It seems to be hitting in this corner over here. It's a little bit high in that corner, but the extension is really good. The amount that it is extended is really good. Oh, much better. Now it's hitting all the way across, nice and square. It's hitting here and a little bit over here. So I think we're in good shape. Now it's just a matter of taking it down, because that original bevel is kind of curved, and this will be much more square. Now I could put it on the Tormek right here. See, it's hitting all the way here, right in this back corner. So we're shallowing the angle to more like a 29 degrees, where it was a 31 to begin with. So we're getting a little bit shallower angle on there, which I think is a good idea. Anyway, and I'll just work it. All right, so the sharp skate is working very nicely, very rock solid, and you can just keep working the bevel. So the 400 probably nearly done. Let's look and see. Yeah, look at that. And now we have a nice clean square, get the fog off of there, bevel all the way across. And I'll jump up to 6,000 now. We'll just take a quick jump right from 400 to 6,000. With this skinny blade like this, I think we can get away with a big jump. Bevel's coming off nicely. And let's see what we have there. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Beautiful. Just the hormones starting to come out nice and square. We'll just keep going there on the 6. Work those 400 scratches right out. It's rock solid. It's working just how you expect it. It's just a little tricky to get them in there in the beginning. Once you get it set up, it works great. And look at that. Just a tiny bit more to go right there. It is beautiful. Corners. See in there. Yeah, just a little more on that 6. We'll be done. Nice. Thank you.